Wait, how am I doing it? Nice. Okay, we're
And the
making
more we-
our Miss Piggy costume skirt for
Tutu.
Halloween. A tutu. Okay. Using a hot glue gun. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Crunch it up.
And the best part about
Like
using tool that it melts
1/10 of the
right
way.
into the whole line, and you could do more than one layer.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
And you can get the glue at Dollar Store. These are the little Dollar Tree. These are the little tubes. How much is the glue gun?
$2.99 at Walmart.
Ad Tech.
$2.99 at Walmart.
Wow, amazing.
Right there.
Okay, and the ribbon is the part that's going to be the sash that goes on the actual costume, the Miss Piggy pink costume, which is 100% polyester. So this will be glued or pinned to the costume. So the only part that's glue is the taffeta onto this ribbon. So the ribbon sash acts like a belt. Is that right?
Mm-hmm. And it grips onto the tool to be able to hold your scrunchies for.
So I got this ribbon from Charles Schwab Financial Company when they sent a Christmas gift last year. It was wrapped around a wooden box.
Look at that. Hang on and stretch it out a little bit. Make sure we got them.
And the tool is from Michaels.
It was $1.99 a yard, and we got 6 yards. 3 pink, 3 white.
From Michaels, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nobody had a tutu because they were selling tutus at Dollar Tree, but they were all sold out for Halloween. So we had to buy our own tool and make our own skirt. Left to right from here, on top. So some of the glue is going on top of the taffeta material, and then we crinkle it to make it skirt-like, and then some glue goes on the ribbon, so the taffeta stays on the ribbon. There's 2 layers of glue.
Nope, right here on the top of that one. Okay. Yeah, perfect.
And then it's going through onto the ribbon. Ooh, I
Yeah,
feel
that's the best
heat.
part. No, it's okay.
I feel the heat. Okay,
Right?
and then the white is so I don't glue my table. On
Right,
top?
yep.
Okay, and it's gonna seep through again.
And it's going to seep right through.
So we have this whole strip to do. So we're almost 1/4 done. I see you have a second glue gun. What's that for?
It could be listen.
Just for like a spare, or does
It's
it do-
always that one's bigger and it spits out more.
Oh, more
but it'll be
glue.
messier.
Yeah, okay.
And
So
with
it's-
something like this, you want something that is not gonna be as bulky and won't show touch lamp as much.
okay.
Yeah, make sure it's still doing good.
We're gluing ourselves to the white thing.
Yeah, I know, guys.
Here's my spider ring for Halloween. I love it. Did you show the audience? It's down here. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Here, left to right. Okay.
And guys, she's a first time glue gun user, so if she can do
First
it,
time. Yeah.
you can do it.
Okay, so this way. I am first time glue gun.
Oh, I know, I could tell.
I feel the power.
The power in the gun.
This is so handy, this thing.
It is.
So can kids use this, or is
It's
it
so
too
easy,
hot?
but you just gotta make sure that
mean,
they
for
don't
the
touch the
heat.
tip for the heat. But yes, these are usable for kids. There's a lot of kids that do
just the
crafts with
heat.
glue guns.
Okay.
Just careful with the heat and just make sure
how-
that they're always supervised. But they're really good. And it's really, to get a 3rd degree burn by a glue gun, you really have to let it sit on you. And the first moment it touches you, you already know.
Okay. So again, we're gluing taffeta and then crinkling the taffeta material, and then we also glue the ribbon because we have to put the taffeta on the ribbon.
From top all the way down. Yep.
And then how long does one tube last? Like, will this whole tube
It depends on the
be
project.
used- Would this whole tube of glue be used for this skirt project?
I think both two of the tubes will be perfect.
Okay, 2 tubes, and then you get them at the Dollar Tree, so it's not like pricey. Okay.
If you squeeze it more and let it, we could just continue doing it this way. Let it seep in.
Okay, as
So-
opposed to like, originally we were gluing on the ribbon, but since it seeps through, we can just glue the taffeta to the ribbon, so it's like more efficient maybe?
It is a lot more efficient.
Okay, because we're gonna almost be halfway.
Top to bottom.
Here?
Top to bottom. There you go.
So it's just one squeeze, I think. And then it just pours out. Once
Yep.
you squeeze, it just
And you don't
comes
actually
out.
have to put it on there. If you, the more
Oh,
you
it'll-
actually, it'll seep right down.
Okay.
Go right through. You don't have to actually put it on there. Just lift it up a little bit and you'll see.
Like here, or where do you want?
Look at that.
We're getting there. Here? I mean, really, you could do this just yourself. Like if you're just a parent at home and you don't have a second set of hands, you could do it alone. It's just, we happen to be together, Danya and Susie, so we're doing it together, but you don't need a second set of hands. Do you agree with that?
No, I definitely agree.
I wonder if I went too far there, no? Okay.
Because what you do is, I do this.
And then we are planning, Danya can tell me if this is correct, we're planning on putting a white taffeta.
Oh yeah, it's gonna start
over
layering. We're gonna
this.
start
We're
layering
gonna
them.
Layer, yeah. It looks good like this, but since we bought the white tool.
Oh no, we're gonna do
we're
all
gonna use
of
it.
them.
Oh, we have more than one set of pink, so we're gonna use, oh, I didn't realize.
Oh no, we're gonna layer it. It's gonna be
Okay.
the fluffiest one you will ever see.
Okay, so layer for fluff.
Yes, that's what we do.
Got it. Oop. Where do you want it now?
Right there.
Oh, I feel the heat. Oh, oh. You know what? That was a good, so this is what happened. I just touched the glue gun by mistake. It was pretty hot, not to the point where I'm
Right here.
like screaming, but it was definitely
You'll
hot.
feel it.
If it was a child, I could see them getting upset. And so now it's just peeling off my hand. Yeah, somehow I put my finger right where I
Top to bottom.
I squeezed the glue gun and my finger was right there, almost like I just put it directly on my finger. So coming out, it was hot. Like I think here,
I
there's
need
a
you to put
little.
it right here so I can go back with it.
Okay. Yeah, that was a good test.
Oh, I've done it
It was
plenty of times. Listen, if
not-
you worked with a glue gun, you'll get burnt, and after a while, it doesn't even bother.
Yeah, I definitely feel it.
Right there.
But it was good to know, so I can have that experience. Unfortunately, it was. Oh, maybe I should come on the other side. Maybe I should come over there.
Because this is what I want you to
And
do.
then
You
let's
see?
move down. So we have the white under the, not the table. Oh, I think we glued
Yeah,
it
we're
to
moving the
table.
ribbon down.
We glued it a little bit to the. Is your back hurting? Should we like
No, we're good.
jobs? Okay, so you want me to come around there or no? Or stay
Doesn't
here?
matter. Go to the or.
Okay.
Let me get you the glue.
Ooh, that was.
I know, right? That was the first time you ever got. Look, it's not my
Oh my
first.
gosh.
I do crafts all the time.
Yeah. Right there?
Mm-hmm.
It's falling off the table. I think it's like weighing us down. Oh, still feeling the burn.
You're gonna feel that burn for a couple of days. It's your first glue gun burn.
Oh man.
Poor Susie. Migraine.
Call 911.
No, don't call 911. It took you
those-
45
those
minutes
guys
last
are-
time.
So I had 911 over here last time. Recently, and there was 3 gentlemen, and they were all very helpful and wonderful, and
Very
not-
good because they
not-
negotiated
not
with her.
bad to look at.
Never bad to look at. We know that. Look at that. Look at that.
Pretty.
I need you to do from here all the way down.
Yeah, so last time I put my finger right in it and glued my finger. I was
do
trying to
that
glue my finger to
Okay.
the skirt. Here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's not a lot on the end there.
That's okay. Because that's the back.
Okay.
Let me see that for a minute. Then what you could do is make sure you go over the edges to make sure that, it's on there.
Yeah, should we show the whole piece for 1 second?
Yes.
So this is...
Wow. Susie, it came out better than what I thought.
It came out better than we thought. Yay. So this is the skirt. We're using this brown sash as like a belt so we could glue that to the polyester costume. Did we bring the costume out here or no?
In a minute, we'll put it together.
Okay,
all
so I'm
right,
gonna
you want to
pause
switch
it.
jobs now? You can squinch
Yeah.
and now.
Okay, we're gonna switch jobs. And I'm gonna pause it so we can figure out what job is whose. Hold. Okay, here we go. All right, we're back on. So now we're gluing the white taffeta to the pink so we can make it super fluffy and then dual color. So we have Miss Piggy costume and we're gonna glue the tutu skirt using the taffeta from Michaels, which was $1.99 a yard, I think. And we're gonna put it on the Miss Piggy 100% polyester pink costume using the sash, and we can even safety pin the sash to the costume.
I don't know if you want me in the shop. I'm gonna take these. Just so I'm not using too much. Hold the white one up because I don't want to cut the white one yet. It's the pink one I want to cut. I'm just cutting right above. Yeah, see, that way I know. There you go.
Is it faster if I do the glue or move the taffeta, or?
Yeah, if you want, you can move the taffeta.
Okay.
See how I just bunch it up?
Yeah.
And I keep it this way.